155. Can you come up to the finish line, please? 155. Whoever takes the finish line clear, thank you.
Little girl, don't you put me down. Little girl, don't you put me down.
All right, Charlie. Wow, look at you. How are you? Nice job.
Darnie!
Sophie! Look you! All right, Chris.
Hey, that's Sophie. Nice job, Charlie.
All right.
Proud of you.
Oh my gosh, and there goes Bentley. Amazing. All right. Hey, babe, not bad. Little guy with pneumonia. Okay, good. Yeah.
She's so tired. Take her for a walk.
Good running. Number 211.
Hey, hold it.
Can't go through there.
Come on, this way.
Thank you very much. We've got a whole bunch though, so be up on board.
You all right? Okay.
Yeah.
No, it's him. He's not supposed to, not the dog. It's
Number 11, 14, 34, 52, 161, 208.
When there's no one else around, gonna take the girl home.
Number 25, can you come up to the finish line? Around. Sorry, thank you. Good running, number 319, number 314.
That twinkle in your eye.
look at the battery.
No, that's fine. You're fine. You've got plenty of juice left.
I've been turning it off in between. Oh.
30-14.
Ooh, number 178, good running. Good job. Let's hear some cheering. Water for your dogs, is that?
His focus was okay.
Yeah, boy, after that first mile, Roberta, he just, he couldn't go fast. It was amazing. That initial hump, though, was a little rough on the first couple hundred yards. All the dogs didn't know what to do. They just looking back.
There's lots to eat and drink down over the hill. Social Club Orchestra. Don't forget to visit our vendor booth. Stretch your legs, stretch your dog. Woo, number 169, good job.
Hey, Roz, why don't you with this in the background, you could stand
We would love for you
interview
all to
people right
stay
here.
and hang out. We won't be doing awards until everybody's in.
Yes.
If you have
So
somebody to talk
help
to.
yourself to food
Well, I think when
and
they
water.
first come in, they're a bit, I don't think they
No.
want me to jump on them.
Believe me.
No, we've been all around interviewing
Oh, good.
lots of people, and
Right.
Mary's getting shots of dogs, and, you know, yeah, I think between what Roberta's got and what Mary's got, because Roberta's had a lot of people coming in. Oh, look at this little, oh, do get this little one. It's so cute. Mary, can you get this little one?
Number 210, good job. Woo!
gone? They can get to the building.
There's a place where we all go. Come on down and bring the fishes home. It's all good and it's all fine. Don't weather night. Good old boys having fun. Got the wild turkey on the run. Blind Creek.
Yay!
Old granddad in the rocking chair. Living with him, don't have a care. Jackie's dancing, he walking. Jimmy's got him a job. Blind Creek, it's a place to be. Wanna have fun, just follow me. It all flows down so nice and sweet.
Hello, you are the winner of the race, is that right? And your name?
Ed Clifford.
Ed. Ed, are you running for yourself? Are you representing someone?
Well, we have a little racing kennel.
Yes.
We do ski jaw racing and we do sled racing. And I also do mountain bike racing and run racing.
Oh, wonderful. And who is your four-legged companion runner?
This is Maggie.
Maggie. And Maggie did very well.
She did.
Yes, she's used to doing it, is she?
First woman on the way.
She's very beautiful. And this harness is?
Right there here, finish it
It's a
here.
typical sled dog type
Oh, I
harness
see.
for pulling.
Oh, I see. So come the winter time, Maggie will be busy again.
Number 39.
Yeah. So are you going to do the 10K next year, or are
Keep
you
the finish
happy
line
with
clear,
the 6?
please. Thank you.
We're a short distance specialist.
Short, yeah, yes, yes.
Nice
There's another
running.
sled
Number
dog racer who's running
145.
10K. So we don't have a conflicting interest. We don't compete against each other. He likes the longer runs, I like the short.
Oh, she's very beautiful, and thank you
Number
so much, and
99,
congratulations
running.
again.
Thank you.
For 210. Good job.
The little one over there.
Water for the dogs over this way. Stay that way.
Well done.
There's water down there for people and water this way for dogs. We have to move it for the next.
So, hello, and your name is?
Jeff,
Jeff, and who is your beautiful
Right
little
through
dog?
here. Here
this
we
is
go.
Yoda. He's a Jack Russell.
Oh, he's a Jack Russell? Is he Jack Russell something, or just a Jack Russell?
179.
His mother was Jack Russell and his father was whatever came out of the woods.
Yeah, and you did the race?
Yep.
Oh, good for him.
Second year.
15.
And he looks very happy and very fit too, don't
Let's
he?
hear it,
Yes,
folks. Let's see
you
some
do.
loud cheering.
Yes.
He just saw his vet and had a clean bill of health, so he was cleared for the race.
Good, and you enjoyed it?
Number 10.
Yeah, both of you. I can see that. Yeah. Well done. Hope you come again next year.
Okay, thank you.
Jessica Tidman-Scarl from South Stratford, where I live, and your beautiful companion Jessica is
Keep the
Sawyer.
finish line
Sawyer.
clear, thank
5
you.
years old. And
Don't forget to
Sawyer's
stretch
pretty
your legs,
thirsty.
stretch
I
your
bet you
legs.
are too.
I am.
So did you enjoy it?
Oh, it was wonderful.
Well, you must have made good time then.
We did
because
okay.
You're one of the first in.
Yeah, well, Sawyer was pulling me for a long time,
That's
and then
nice.
I was pulling him at the end.
Yeah. So do you
Good
run a lot
running.
with Sawyer? I don't see you running with
no.
Sawyer very much. So good for him.
Yeah, he
That's
made it.
Great.
I wasn't sure how he
Yes,
was going to
yes.
do, but he did just fine.
I think he deserves some ice cream this afternoon. This is a little
dog treat of
yeah,
some
a dog
sort.
treat.
Yes, for sure.
Yes. Well done. Go and get
Thank
yourself
you.
a good drink.
Okay, thank you.
So this is Steve Giroux, who you usually see behind the camera. He works at CATV, and this is Bentley. Bentley was adopted from the Cara organisation, and he's just gorgeous. So Bentley, I have to say, Steve looks a little fitter than you.
He is.
But you've just had a bad cold.
Yes, yeah.
But Bentley looks as if he's really
He could
enjoying
have
it.
gone another couple of miles.
Yes, yes.
Once we get over that initial hump, that first mile,
Yes.
he'll just go and go.
Wow, wow. Well, next year the 10K, huh?
Yeah.
And there is Sarah Eastman. Wow, wonderful. This is Sarah over here. All these friends I'm meeting. Yes, and your companion is?
Rooster.
Rooster?
Rooster.
Rooster. And Rooster obviously did very well. Doesn't look hard at all.
Oh, he does this regularly.
Oh, isn't that great? I love all these bowls. Oh, there's so many now. It's wonderful.
Good 6. Let's hear some cheering. Woo! Number 37.
Sipping whiskey, it is all in the top tree. We're sipping whiskey, it's all in, come on in. The water's fine, the top tree.
So Judy, you're helping with the race. This is Judy Coates. Tell us what you do in normal life, as it were.
In normal life, I'm a physical therapist, and I treat humans 3 days a week and dogs 2 days a week.
Oh, wonderful! So you visit animals that have had operations or something like that. You get them back in.
That's right. They may have had surgeries, but also non-surgical candidates. Dog with back problems. Certainly, the geriatric dog is a very common patient for me right now.
Yes. A lot of arthritis in a geriatric patient.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, wonderful. Do you have your own clinic, or do you go to people's houses?
Either people come to me or I go to them.
Yes.
And it depends a bit on the dog and what's going to be most comfortable for the dog.
What a wonderful thing to do.
It is wonderful.
Yes. Oh, great. Judy Coates, animal physical therapist. Is that right?
Or rehab therapist.
And thanks for helping here.
Oh, it's been great. It's just a
wonderful.
great event. Great.
It really is.
Thank you.
Thanks.
I want a nice crowd over here because we're going to have some coming in.
Sure.
Whoop it up.
Says part of the same.
Nice going!
Get what we can get. That's all right.
Good running, let's go! Go, go, go!
I think Bentley could do a 10K with proper water and then not do water.
Bulldog!
Here comes the 10K runner, let's go, everybody! Wow, number 152, good job!
This is Jen Bog, and Jen Bog is one of the officials of the race and also a canine behavior consultant and training person. So could you tell us a little about that, Jen?
Sure. I am a behavior consultant that helps people with severe problems they're having with their dog. If they've got an aggression issue, a separation disorder issue, a house training issue, or if they just want help with manners training, teaching sit, down, stay, walking nicely on leash, teaching them to come. And most of my offerings are done in the home of the owner, so I actually come to your house to do this.
That's important, really, isn't it? Yes. Do you do it for children as well?
And no, and I don't do marriage counseling either.
Just dog counseling. Oh, well done. So if you want to get hold of Jen, if you have any sort of a problem with your dog, she's the one. I've known Jen for many, many years, and she is absolutely wonderful, very intuitive with dogs, and you couldn't do better. And it would make you and your four-legged companion a lot happier. Thank you, Jen, and thank you for taking time out and helping with the race.